Hey Dripsters!
Hello!
Welcome to Moscow! That was not for real. It's me, Yvonne! I haven't slept in days! Alright, ready?
Okay. I'll start then. Hello Dripsters!
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Moscow, Russia.
Yes, we're in Moscow and we are on a walking tour. We're about to actually get in the subway behind us here and you can see a train going by. You can hear it. We're gonna get in the underground and we heard that here in Moscow the subway systems are really beautiful.
Yeah,
like almost museums.
Yeah, they call it the underground palace of Moscow.
Right, so it's really well like
built and designed.
Yeah, and there's a lot of
super pretty apparently.
Yeah, so we're gonna head down. We're on a free walking tour. You can take this. It's called Strawberry Tours.
Yeah, they do like tours all over the world in lots of cities actually.
Yeah, so we hope it'll be interesting. You know, we don't have much expectation, but we're gonna go in and get some shots, and hopefully it's cool.
Yeah.
And we're gonna take you guys along with us. So let's go. So we're here on this subway tour here in Moscow, and behind me I have this really cool statue for the Revolutionary Guard or something. It's really loud in the subway system, much louder than in Beijing, but it's pretty cool so far. We've seen some interesting things, some interesting paintings, some sculptures, and overall this is a pretty cool subway system. I'm hoping to see some more stuff, but so far it's been pretty cool, and this statue behind me is pretty interesting.
Probably have no idea what I'm saying.
This is a very famous dog and you're supposed to touch the nose of it. Stained glass.
Oh yeah, it was in glass. Now here was like a beautiful yellow and like mosaic on the top.
It's a mosaic. Yeah.
A mosaic on the ceiling, which is really cool. So yeah, it's really exciting to see this subway again. I was here a couple of years ago, but it's really cool.
tesadüf değil. Bu tesadüf değil. Bu neyi gösterir biliyor musun? Bu halk, zaman sözcükler tesadüftür.
Oh, we're running. I gotta catch the train, but I'm here.
Whoa, look at this.
Blowing away. Maybe we should go outside and do it.
Yeah.
Let's try it outside. We just finished our subway tour, and what did you think, Yvonne?
I think the subway stations were really nice. Like, they're so pretty. Lots of, like, well, as you could see, lots of like the different glass, statues, marmor, all kinds of things. So they were really pretty.
Yeah, I mean, the subways themselves are really cool, but one of the things I didn't like about the tour was we went to a lot of them, but we didn't really have a lot of time.
No.
And so a couple of them were really cool, and we wanted to take more pictures, maybe do some more video, but we were literally having to jump back on like the next subway, so we were on the platform for like 5 minutes.
And then was hop back on it, and if we would not hop back on the train, then we would lose our guide.
Yeah, we lose the group, we lose the guide, then we're on our own.
Then you're lost.
And so the strawberry tours, I wouldn't recommend it, to be honest. I would say take your time to do some research, actually figure out which stops you want to go to, and then go to those yourself. You'll have the time that you want, you can do what you want there, take the pictures you want, nobody will be rushing you, because this tour was like, what, 2 hours, 2.5 hours or something?
2.5 hours.
And
I think
we were moving.
8 or 9 stops?
We were moving.
Something like that, yeah. And the thing is with the subways here, like, you buy one train ticket and then you can go, as long as you stay on the
system,
train and you don't check out, then you can go as many stations as you want.
You can go anywhere you want.
It doesn't matter for your price.
Yeah.
So it's really
that's something to
taking
consider.
your time for that. Yeah.
Yeah. But overall, you guys saw it was pretty cool, and if you ever have the opportunity, definitely come check it out. I mean, it's cool.
Yeah,
but maybe skip the tour.
Yeah.
I mean,
but don't miss the subway.
But don't skip the subway stops. Yeah. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we have a lot more Russia and train content coming out soon.
So make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And like this video.
Yeah, hit the notification bell.
Yep.
Ding, 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 ding.
Hit the bell.
Yeah.
And see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.